Did you know the available voice-activated Sync 3 has been designed with enhanced technology to provide high-performance connectivity between you and the world outside of your vehicle? Let me tell you about them. An easy-to-read colorful home screen conveniently displays the phone and audio features, as well as a new available navigation screen with a convenient swipe and pinch to zoom feature similar to your smartphone. And a redesigned feature bar is now present along the bottom of the touchscreen for a simple, straightforward user experience. Keep in mind, if the feature menu bar retracts below the display screen, you can simply touch the controls button on the bottom left of the screen, here. Also new to Sync 3 is simplified voice commands that make controlling certain features quick and easy without having to go through multiple steps. For instance, if you're listening to the radio and want to change to listening to your media device, use the voice button and say, "Play song I Am Alive," for example. It's that easy. Using the navigation system has also been simplified, so finding your nearest favorite coffee shop, ATM, or any other popular destination can now be done quickly thanks to condensed destination entry functionality. Plus, Sync 3 remembers what you searched, like coffee shops, and saves it in its memory. So the next time you search for a coffee shop, it'll remember and preload POI search results based on the letters you type and show you the closest one. Another convenient feature is that you get automatic updates via Wi-Fi with Sync 3. Now you can easily update your Sync software when a new version is available. Also new is AppLink, which gives you convenient control of your apps without having to reach for your phone. And finally, iPhone users now have the convenience of Siri Eyes Free with Sync 3. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.